Now, let's talk about form validation in SharePoint. We're currently in the SharePoint list called Repair Shops. Let's try adding a new item. In the modal window that appears, we can see the fields, including our new field for shop type and affiliation. As you know, if we select shop type as affiliated, we should fill in the affiliation field. However, this form currently allows us to leave the affiliation field blank and still save the entry, which is not what we want. This is where we'll implement form validation to ensure the required fields are properly filled out. Now, let's add form validation to ensure users receive error messages when something goes wrong. Start by navigating to the settings in SharePoint at the top right corner and select List Settings from the menu. Next, find and click on Validation Settings. Here, you can choose the column you want to apply validation to from the list of available columns. You'll notice two text boxes, one for the formula and another for the user message. If you're unsure about the formula syntax, there's a helpful link right next to the formula box. For our example, we will write a formula that states if the shop type is affiliated, then the affiliation field cannot be left blank. Don't forget to enter a user message to indicate the issue to the user. Once you've set everything up, save your changes. Now, return to the list and attempt to add a new item. Fill out the form, but leave the affiliation field blank while selecting affiliated as the shop type. When you try to save, the validation will trigger and you'll see the message we set earlier, indicating that the affiliation field should not be empty. That's how form validation works.